Welcome to our channel. Today we're diving into some of the best healthy eating hacks that will make your journey towards a healthier lifestyle easier and more enjoyable. Stick around till the end for a special printable guide to keep you on track. Hack 1. Meal prep like a pro. Why it works. Prepping your meals in advance saves time, reduces stress, and helps you avoid unhealthy food choices. How to do it. Spend a few hours each week planning and preparing your meals. Use containers to portion out meals for the week, focusing on balanced options that include lean proteins, whole grains, and plenty of vegetables. Hack 2. Keep healthy snacks handy. Why it works. Having healthy snacks readily available prevents you from reaching for junk food when hunger strikes. How to do it. Stock up on snacks like nuts, seeds, fruit, and yogurt. Keep them in convenient places like your desk at work, your car, or your bag. Hack 3. Drink water before meals. Why it works. Drinking water before meals can help control your appetite and prevent overeating. How to do it. Aim to drink a glass of water about 30 minutes before you eat. This simple habit can make a big difference in your overall calorie intake. Hack 4. Make vegetables the star of your plate. Why it works. Vegetables are low in calories and high in nutrients, making them perfect for weight management and overall health. How to do it. Fill at least half of your plate with vegetables at every meal. Experiment with different types and cooking methods to keep things interesting. Hack 5. Plan your treats. Why it works. Allowing yourself occasional treats helps prevent feelings of deprivation and binge eating. How to do it. Plan when you'll have your treats and enjoy them mindfully. By scheduling them, you can savor your indulgence without guilt. These healthy eating hacks are simple yet effective ways to improve your diet and overall well-being. Remember, consistency is key, and small changes can lead to big results over time. Ready to start your healthy eating journey? Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks on living a healthier life.